Hello, I am Katie Storino and I'm here to show you how to put on fake eyelashes if you're scared of it. And let me tell you, I am someone who lived in fear of a fake eyelash for more years than I care to admit. But one day I just had to learn how to do them. I was taping something for Project Runway. It was a name drop. And I was getting them done every single day. And I was paying someone to come do them. And I was like, girl, you can't afford this. So I am gonna show you how to take control of the false eyelash and just do it. We're starting with this. Where is it? Oh, okay, great. New to YouTube. We're starting with an African factory lash. This is a female founded company and it's actually owned by a beautiful Black woman who used to be my intern and I love her. And she's French and she's so chic. First thing I like to do, because I like a natural lash, is do a little bit of trim. So you take it and you get up in here and you get your like mini scissors and you give the ends a little trim so that you're more to where you think that you want to be. Okay, next thing you wanna do, you can take a tweezers, or they make these little special tools. A tweezer works great, and you pull the lash off of the base. Boop. And like this is it, it's for your eye. Some people are gonna tell you that you should trim it to like fit your eye and do things like that. I don't do that. Where am I looking? I'm looking here, but I'm looking at myself. Next thing, just to blend so many different lash brands in one, I take a duo glue. I've tried other glues and I just didn't really think that they performed as well. This tool is actually from Kasha, which is another brand. So we've got 3 brands on one eye. You take the glue and you put it right on the lash line, like this, okay? And then they say that you like let the glue set for a minute. And then the next part's kind of scary, but also fun. So as you can see, I've already done my makeup and I'm just gonna pop these right on. And by pop these on, I mean, it's not gonna be pretty, but you're gonna see that you have to be a little bit fearless to get your lashes on. Like you can't be scared or you're gonna end up with a lash up here. Ready? So I just take my fingers and I go right onto my lash, just fearless, right onto the lash line. And then I take the back of the brush, whoop, take the back of the brush, pull my lid up a little bit, and I like poke it on to my lid, poke it down. Ooh, hello. And there it is. Like, it's on my face. Look at the difference. Like, can you believe? Like, I have mascara on. Like, these are my actual lashes, and then these are my lashes. Okay, take a second one. Okay, and sometimes, this is good. I'm glad this is happening on video. Sometimes this little edgy can get a little, like, you don't want that to pop off. So you just have to go in and gently poke it back on. Stay where you are. It's gotta go down a little. Your finger actually works best. Don't listen to them. And then another tip is once they're on there, you press them up a little. Okay, and then we go back with our glue, getting that glue on the lid, on the lash. You don't have to make that face, but it helps. And like I said, you can use a tool, you can use a tweezers, you can do this. So we got it on and now you just have to like, no fear. It's the biggest tip is no fear. I've done this so many times where the lash ends up literally up here and I have to start over, which is very frustrating, but you just kind of have to attack it. Now it's on and what do? We do a little bend and we're on. Look at this. Look how good this looks. These lashes are probably longer than I would wear in my day-to-day, but for anything that you're doing on video, which is everything right now, like toss these on a Zoom and like let people ask about how good your life is. Because a lash really changes things, honestly, right? Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Katie Storino, and tell me if you learned anything.